What's going on, guys? I am at 4x4 Place. They're one of my marketing partners. He also races. I'm sure you've seen the videos. We have to fix the frame. Picture will be over here or over here. When I edit, that will show how bad it was, and I will post a video of the roll. It was a really weird roll. How if you can imagine, like this, when I rolled like this, the rock was probably about this high that the back of the truck buggy landed on, so all the force landed on that corner and it got bent up. But as you'll see, we got it all straight, ready for We Rock this weekend. A couple other little miscellaneous things I'll go over later in the video that we have to fix, but stay tuned. Some fabrication work ahead. All we have left to do today, which is Saturday, is clean up, get the buggy all prepped for it to go on the lift, to straighten the shock and finish the hydraulic, or I want to do hydraulic lines, not sure if I'll have time, but straighten the shock, shine the chassis, and then fix the side panels. So that will be Monday. Stay tuned, that's what's coming on next. Huge shout out to 4x4 Place, Mini Andrew, and Peter Snodgrass. We got it together. So say hi to YouTube, Peter.
Hi, YouTube.
Thanks to him, this went so much easier. So the chassis is good. We cut the back of it off. So slowly but surely getting back together. We have next weekend back-to-back race, so we have to prep it. So another problem is corrugated pipe pushed into the starter, so I'm going to wrap this with heat wrap and then put the firewall back in. We have to do that. Have to fix that dent. Shout out to Rad Design, because the mount held up. You could see where the rock hit. You could see right there where the rock hit. So the buggy handled the roll pretty good. So we tried to straighten this mount. If you can tell, it's all sorts of messed up because the roll hit right here. So we got new mounts coming from Rad Designs, which I'm gonna probably end up taking a tube from here down to here, move this, and then a tube from here down to here, and then plate it, and then that shouldn't move anywhere. We got the new radiator hoses and sheathing in. Got to put the firewall back in, and right now I'm going to work on the steering lines. Rainbow. Don't know if that's good luck or what, but we are done for tonight. Don't look at that, that might be something. But we got the back ends all straightened out. This tube has a little bit of a dent, but that's fine. The roof is as good as it's gonna get. Probably land on it again. Side panel's done. Firewall. Coolant pipes. Oh, got all that done. The winch is kind of, they're trying to get me, Warren's trying to get me a solenoid, but with COVID going on, it's really difficult. So I found a solenoid from the 4x4 shop, and we just have it here on a switch. So it is what it is. But we're all loaded up. We have an hour and a half drive. About 2 hours with this rig, and I almost busted my butt. We hopefully get a chance to walk horses tonight. I'm not sure if we're gonna have a chance to walk horses, but we're gonna go over the buggy, make sure it's all good. Stay tuned, because there will be footage from this weekend's comp. Hopefully I will get this video out here shortly. Thanks. We are loaded up, ready to go. You can hear that. Generator's running because it's hot out and it takes forever to cool this thing down. So I'm just gonna leave it running all the way up to PA. We are headed to Bernie's shop, which is my spotter. We had to fix the shock. It just started having a problem. But other than that, the buggy is all together. Last night we had to finish the window net, the winch, and a couple other little miscellaneous things. Watching, don't forget to like and share and follow. Follow us on Instagram. That's where we post most of our stuff, as well as Facebook under OGOB Racing. Have a good day.